everyone, and welcome to a new series called NewTuber Advice. So this is going to be a series where I'm going to be talking about lots of different kind of things. So it's kind of like Let's Talk that I've done before. But yeah, it's going to be sort of like an advice series that I've been wanting to do. So this is kind of like replacing gaming at the moment. Because there's not any gaming on, so I just thought that I'd do this to see of where we go. So in this video, we are going to be talking about how to start a YouTube channel. So it basically means what are you going to be doing on your channel. So is it going to be a gaming channel? Is it going to be a vlog channel? Is it going to be like a sort of a face channel, a cooking channel, or whatever it's gonna be in your imagination. So personally for me, I'm a gaming channel. I love games, computer games and all that sort of thing. As I said, there's not many on at the moment, but obviously I've done them before in the past and all of that. So my passion is I like playing games and stuff like that. I've done like other channels as well, like music and stuff. So I've done like lots of variation sort of things. So it can be like whatever you want your channel to be. It can be any of those things. So creating a YouTube channel is very, very easy to do, and stuff like that if you know how to do it. Obviously, I didn't know how to do it back in the day, but it's quite easy now. So yeah, it all depends like what you want on your channel as well. Like all depends what you want and stuff, and it means by what sort of videos you want to make, and all of that. And make sure you put all your like sort of like details in right as well, from what the channel is going to be as well. Yeah, it can literally be whatever you want your channel to be, and sort of like what you're doing and how many passionate views you're going to get, and how many subscribers you are going to get. It took me a little while. It took me a little while when I started on YouTube, because I was doing very, very, very low quality videos, and I wasn't doing very good at all. Yeah, so I don't want you guys to be like what I was back in those days. So I don't want you guys to be like that. So if you're doing videos on like a mobile phone or something like that, then I wish you all the best on that. It all depends what phone you've got. If it's either iPhone or Samsung or whatever it is, then that. If you're doing them on like a laptop or computer or anything like that, make sure that the quality of the videos are up there as well. If you can do like very, very sort of like high quality videos, probably a lot of people might not be able to do them. But yeah, make sure you've got some very, very like high quality videos in there as well. Then yeah, then as soon as you've done that, start getting your videos on the way. The thing that I would probably personally do first is do like a channel trailer, because that's what I did. So make sure you do one of them first, and then when that video's on, then you can start. Then your channel will get on the way and see what videos you are going to be making. But yeah, the first video that you should do is do like an introduction video to see what your channel is going to be. So I personally recommend doing that, by the way, because that means you'll be able to get up there with the stuff that you are doing. And the final thing that I am going to say before we pretty much end part one is make sure you have loads and loads of fun on your channel. So yeah, and just enjoy it while you can, and all of that. So yeah, so that's pretty much part one. I got this series from Major Sven Gaming. who doesn't upload on his channel anymore. Yeah, so I've been watching all of his videos back. So my series is going to be a bit different compared to his. I might not be saying the same things as him, so just bear that in mind. But I'm going to try and go through as much of it as I can and see where we go with it. And hopefully my advice is going to be go well, even though I am 25 now. So make sure my advice will be good for you all and that. So yeah, that's pretty much part one. So hopefully you enjoyed. So in the next part we will talk about just more advice and see what comes up next. So yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!